Back with another unboxing video. This is P. Today we're going to be taking a look at the mystery box from Itechdeals. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe now. That way you can stay up to date to all the latest unboxing and unpackaging videos. So let's go ahead and get into it. Sort of excited. The size of this box looks a little bit different than my previous mystery box from iTech. Check out itechdeals.com. This one was, I think, 20 or 23 bucks. So let's see what's in here. Oh, skid. All right. Oh, yes. I was hoping I got one of these again. 8 gigabyte MP3 player. Eclipse V180. This is a loud MP3 player, and it's going to come in handy like when I'm at the gym and my phone is dead and I'm charging it, but I still want to blast off on some music. If you get any kind of premium earbud or headphone, these are super loud. Plays video, pictures, and of course the music, different settings for the EQ. So I'm glad I got this. Yes, and it has the clip on the side also. On the back rather, where you can clip it on your side. Super loud. Load some music on. Will come in handy. Super small and compact. Let's see what else we got. Rapid car charger. Music gear. Let's see. Rapid charging, adjustable swivel head. Car charging indicator light. This is for the iPhone and iPod devices. Okay, so cool. This will be a cool gift because I don't have any Apple products at the moment. I did have the iTouch, but my phone is Android. Cool. Freaking earbuds. Juicies by Vibe. Comfortable earbuds. Cherry is the colorway. Cool addition. What else do we have? USB car charger. AC to DC USB car charger. Alright. Portable power by RCA, 5 volts. Oh, so you can flip out the back, plug it in the wall, or plug it in the cigarette input in the vehicle. And hook your USB to it also. Pretty cool. And for trucks and SUVs, some of them come with the AC plug. So that would be cool. Yes, I like that. Alright. 3-tip USB cable by Excel Electronics. 3.3 feet. Sync and charge. 8-pin, 30-pin, and micro. Ah, love it. Alright, another Target's cleaning wipe and HDMI cable. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. So once again, these are the deals from iTech. Check them out. Get your mystery box. Oh, it's a bonus. I didn't even see this. USB cable. I don't know what tip this is. I think it may be for Samsung, or it might be the standard. It just looks a little different. Yes, a little bonus I didn't even see in the box. 23 bucks. Well worth the deal. You get various items, as you can see. Target makes laptop bags and etc. Cleaning cloth, MP3 player, HDMI cables. I enjoyed it. Check out iTechdeals. Let me know what you got in your mystery box if you already ordered. And be on the lookout for more unboxing videos from P. Peace. Like, share, subscribe at all times. Let's go.